Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. If you are meeting me for the very first time, my name is Son of Man. They call me the most handsome comedian in Nigeria. Now, if you don't want the remaining days of this year to look like my face, now clap for yourself for peace to reign. Man, I was in Abuja, I and Akpan Okon. You know, we go Hush Baby show. As we come back, we stop by. Go see our guy for one estate. Akpan dey front, I dey back. I just observe say dog dey for front. So Akpan just pass in wave. I know say in wave. In pass. Me will follow Akpan for back. As I begin pass the same road, dog begin the back for me. Whoa! 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 Now that the one who say blood is thicker than water. I know those that hand going do like this now. Spray they come. Ladies and gentlemen, I went to Abuja. I saw some things. I said to myself, when I come to Port Harcourt, I will lift you up. Oh, Pastor, I celebrate you. Pastor George, celebrate you. Pastor Larry, I celebrate you. Pastor, the reason why I greet now to the same time is say your church they GROA. This one church they room I pray come. I came back, I said I want to lift you up. To the glory of God, I've left you up. Yeah, you can clap if you want to clap. I've moved from my 2 Diop and I stay in Ojobu Street in my 3 Diop. That wasn't the story. Now the agent. When the agent say I need 1 bedroom flat, agent begin find houses for me. Fine. Bring one. Tell me saying don't see one. I ask her how much. He said 45,000. I say for 1 bed. He say yes. Can I come and see it? He say no. Pay. I say no. Are they close? Because I say no. People they drag the house. If before you come, the fee don't collect the house. So I transfer 45,000. That was the genesis of the problem. When I reached the house, he showed me the bedroom. Very smart. I saw the bedroom very good. I asked him, where is the parlor? We left that compound. When I asked her for kitchen and toilets, now there no say problem there. If you know Timber Street, we come Timber. Face Wiki flyover for Ikoku. I asked her, where is my kitchen? She said, not too far from me. Pastor, we don't reach my tray. Yo. Now, sir, I use go my tray. Job, very fantastic place. Job, you crepe on a football coach. Crepe go to back like this. Now, football coach. I see they coach the boys. One boy pass ball. So, who they know as a first trapper? As the ball pass, now coach come the first. But when they give you, when we say, as the pastor for you, then you come trap of you for. Ladies and gentlemen, there is more people I love so much. If you're rich, please clap. Clap for yourself. The rich, clap. The rich. They have pride. Clap. The rich. Very proud. If you see a big man, they die. To die, go they hungry you. Big man dead. Give me 1 chair, sir. Give me 1 chair. Yeah. The big man won't die. Big man stays upstairs. Upstairs. Cross leg like this. Who won't die? They shout. My chest. My chest. Who they die you? Jesus say, Daddy, what is it? Daddy, what is it? It is stress, big man. My chest. They don't call ambulance. Carry the man. Go hospital. As a big man that has the money, he will give up the ghost. Big men don't die. They give. They are givers. Even when they die, they give up the ghost. The same die. Make poor man die, the same die. And so poor man, don't change the village is like this. And so the poor man go there like this. And so you go there for under one mumu tree. You go there shout, oh, My head, my belly, my waist, my chest, my head, my belly. Put there, that is one sickness. When people there go say, our blood brother, uncle, that's after a brief illness. Illness will not last 22 years now. Brief illness. If you see big man poster when they die, if they enjoy them, you see demise, call to glory. But when you see poor man, you go see exit of an icon. They become icon when they're alive. Now when they die, they become icon. Funny enough, you go shout, hey, she go say, let's go it off. Who they die? Shout, I put it off. From here, La Meridian, 200. Finally, they go carry poor man, go hospital. When they carry and reach there, now the way when they in position, I say go like that for theater. You know, I say go like that, God they breathe for fast. At this point, respond to treatment, you know go great, you go they breathe. At this point, I still want to respond to treatment now. Kukuma die, you know go green you go they breathe. You go here, oh Pastor George, Pastor, my father is dying. Pastor go say this is not one prayer we solve. Take 3 million, the man go swallow for sickness, you know go where. They go say, hey Pastor Larry, house on the rock, please. Pastor Larry go say, let's help him. You know go greet you. You go just say, money don't finish now. Pastor don't tire. You go say, oh Choco de, go and get me water. I don't go come out to a and get it to when they want die. If you're a poor man here, you are hearing the voice, the sound of my voice. It will not be well with you. Die if you want to die. That's why they shout, oh, Choco de, when you want to die, go say, go and get me water. If you want to die, look my head. You go say, Choco de. No be that one, they test me. When they want bury big man, before the grave stand, they go stand here. They go hold one sand. Dust to dust. Arches to arches. They don't cover them. People don't chop. They go do reception. Book hall. But when poor man die, they don't rest in peace. When they go before the grave stand, they go stand. They go stand. When they stand, they go look at. For your mind, you want to pour dust to dust. You go hold sand. As simple, I go say Choco them. Auro chiki burugi. Go. They come for a second one. Arches to arches. Arches to arches. You can't say Choco them. But if this death is being caught by any man, take this machete.